Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today we are going to make a project for the Kraftin Kimmie Skrappy Challenge. Each month, the Kraftin Kimmie has a Skrappy Challenge, which is anything but a card. So it's super fun to kind of stretch those creativity muscles and make something other than a card. This month I'm going to make one of my favorite things, which is a post-it note holder. It is not my original idea. The link is in the description box as to the tutorial that I follow, but it's super easy. They make quick gifts and they're just cute and fun to make. For my project today, I'm going to be using this Oceans of Love stamp set and this very old Bo Bunny Barefoot and Bliss collection, along with some Stampin' Up cardstocks. I have already stamped out some images. Not sure which ones I want to use. I'll color them up and then we'll cut them out with my ScanNCut, and then we'll go get the project put together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get started. got those images cut out with my Scan and Cut. Next up, we're going to stamp the sentiment that I want on this, and it Seize the Day. I'm stamping it up with some Kraftin Kimmie ink, which is Lovely Lagoon. This is a new to me stamp, so I did have to stamp it several times to get the proper impression that I wanted. Next, I already have everything cut per the instructions that are in the description box. So now I'm just scoring it. And then I'm going to burnish those score lines. I'm telling you, this project is so easy. Next up, I'm already, like I said, I have everything cut, so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere all of the paper, the designer paper, to the cardstock mats. You will see that I was overzealous and I made 4 panels when I only needed 3, but now I have one for another project. So it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. And once I have those done, I'm going to get some ribbon. It's just some Stampin' Up! Ribbon I had in my stash. You could use any, or you could even eliminate this step. I will say that in the tutorial it has space alongside of the post-it notes for a little pencil. I've never added that, so I just center my post-it notes, which you'll see when we get to that step. Here you'll also see me fight with the release tape. I recently cut my fingernails and I struggled quite a bit with this, but I did eventually get it. Then I will just adhere all those panels down, and like I said, I have an extra one, so it will go back in the paper pad. For the next time I use it, I'll have one extra. And I don't know what I did on that panel there, but I did cut it a little bit smaller. Who knows, but it all works because that's the piece that's covered by the post-it notes. So I just continue to get those adhered, and then I'm going to, can't remember what, adhere the post-it notes. I like using the score tape for this because it's just a little bit more sturdy. Again, I struggle with the release paper, but not as much. And then the final step is to just add those sea creatures that I had colored up. I did pop some of them on top. I put them on the dimensionals just for a little bit of dimension, and then I just used some liquid glue for the rest of them, and that finishes my project. It is so cute, so easy, so fun. I love making these, and I hope that you enjoyed this little process today. And like I said, everything's in the description box below. All the details are on my blog post as to how you can play along and enter. And until my next video, I hope you have a great day. I'll turn on some music for the rest of it, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.